Good morning, this is Kiyoshi with Ozark Electric Vehicle Charging Solutions. We're at 6950 Kingston Avenue. We're just putting in an EV charger out here, out in the neighborhood, 6950. Show you what we got going on. Showing 244 volt. And here is our panel. Oops. So you can see we came out here, there's our grommet, and then we are landed on the ground bar as well. We have one spare conductor that is labeled in case they need to do a NEMA 1450 conversion, and I'll show you where our wires are run. Come out of the top here, that's our black line there. Follow the other conductors that were through this box thing here. Right, on the other side of this 2x4 here, and then there we go. Alrighty. If there's anything else you need to see, then let me know, and I will make sure to include that for the next video. Thank you so much.